Melanie and I'm the Concept and Development Kitchen Lead for MPT's Food. Today I'm going to show you a dumpling dish inspired by Middle Eastern spices. For that you're going to need onions, garlic, a nice herb mix, tomato paste, butter, preserved lemon, a mix of spices, ground beef, maple syrup, yogurt, and wontons. And we're using today's product, it's a Magic Kabsa mix. If this product's not available in your market, you can use any Maggi bouillon cube and add different spices to it. First step is to make the dumpling mix. I'm gonna take the ground meat, I'm gonna mix my spices, herb mix of parsley and mint, fresh onions, and I'm gonna add a spoon of the Kabsa mix. We're gonna make these into little small balls so that they can go into the dumpling filling. The next step is to make the actual dumpling. I just have some water and my wonton square. Then you take your wonton ball and you add the little edges and then you bring up the sides. And you're gonna make this nice little star shape. You can place your dumplings in the rice cooker once it's heated. The oil really helps to not make them stick and you get nice color. We're gonna add our broth. This was made with the Kabsa mix. While the dumplings are cooking, we're gonna make the yogurt sauce and the tomato oil. We have za'atar, some garlic, olive oil. Now for the tomato oil, we're gonna use olive oil and tomato paste. We want to just heat this up until it starts to kind of caramelize and get some color and breaks apart. We're going to add our ground cumin and mix that in there. Add your preserved lemon and maple syrup. Then we'll just let this cool. Now our dumplings are ready. It's time to plate. On the bottom, we're going to add our yogurt, then our nice tomato oil, the pomegranate seeds all around. We have the fresh herb mix, which has mint, some nice flowers, sorrel, pea shoots. Take a little bit of the sauce from the rice cooker, and voila, we have our dumplings made in the rice cooker. So it's a nice starter, or you can add more and have it as a main course.